Friends, hope you all are doing well as we started our revision with the trigonometry chapter. Yesterday I taught you the trigonometric ratios. Okay, so today let me teach you the trigonometric table of the standard angles. Here the standard angles what we consider is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. See, in the angles first and second there is a 30 degrees difference. In second and third that is 15 degree, then again 50 degree, then again 30 degree. So 0 degree, 30, 45, 60 and 90. These standard angles have different values for all the 6 trigonometric ratios. I have the trigonometric ratios as sin A, cos A, tan A, cot A, sec A and cosec A. So you know well, sin, cos, tan, easily we can do it. After knowing these three, remaining three also you can do it by yourself. It is going to be very easy. See, in the examination, if you get the question based on this topic, what you need to do is, in your rough paper of your examination, just make a table first. Then try to put all the correct values. Then your problem will becoming very easy to solve. So let me start this one. First thing, I'll give you an idea that what you need to do is, these all values are there, 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Of the sign, you make it understand or make it learn, or I can say that you make it remember easily, such that the whole table you can write it easily and fluently. So for that purpose, sin A is nothing but angle. In place of this angle, 0, 30, 45, 60, 90 we can put. If I start with the first value, if I am taking it as sin 0 will be always 0. Then sin 30, 1 by 2, half you can say. Then sin 45, 1 by 2, sin 60, root 3 by 2 and sin 90 is 1. So if you remember this one line, then overall the table can be written very easily. I'll give you now the short tricks to remember this one. What you need to do is, you just like reciprocal, right? Just make it alter. Okay. In cos, what you need to do is, what was the value of sin 90? That will become cos 0. Very simple. See, this last will become first and this first will become last. Very simple. 1 is becoming first now. That means sin 90 was 1. Now cos 0 is 1. When sin 0 was 0, now cos 90 will become 0. Like crossing we are doing here. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So cos 30 will be root 3 by 2. Very simple. Like this cross you do. Then sin 30 is 1 by 2. Cos 60 will be 1 by 2. Then the middle value will be as it is. Cos 45, sin 45 both have the same value called as 1 by root 2. Then we know well, one of the very important formula we have